This is your Tuesday, August 9th morning wake-up call. We're seeing good to excellent ratings lower here yesterday and resulting in overnight trade with a pretty decent bounce here. The corn good to excellent rating went down 3% to 58%. Trade was only looking for that to move 1% lower. And now that 58% corn good to excellent rating compares to a 5-year average of 64. So we are starting to see good to excellent ratings in the corn down a fair amount compared to the 5-year average. That could have overnight traders thinking that we should expect a slightly larger yield cut on Friday than what analysts are starting off with. Right now, the analysts are using a yield number of about 176 compared to last month's 177. So for now, analysts on the August crop report only looking for a 1 bushel drop. But again, overnight traders on the lower good to excellent might be looking for a little bit more. We will say that traditionally USDA doesn't really lower yields too much until the September report after getting in-field looking at in-field numbers and getting a chance to be actually out there and see the crop. So we'll still expect just a small yield decline while other traders might be looking for a bit more. Same story over in the beans. Good to excellent fell 1%. That's at 59% compared to a 63% 5-year average. We're also seeing continued dry conditions out west and slightly above average temperatures. So again, we could be looking for traders to look for a larger yield cut than what analysts are looking for. They're looking for a 51.0 bushel yield on Friday when last month was 51.5. So again, that's pretty much what we're looking at, a little bit of overnight support here. Beans may also be looking for some additional 8 a.m. sales. This is the time of year we should expect more new crop sales to China. So given that we've gotten a few in the last week or so, and we do seasonally expect that to pick up, we may be seeing overnight add a little bit more support in the beans, expecting an additional 8 a.m. sales report this morning. Over in cattle, there's been quite a bit of support late last week and yesterday. Cash was surprisingly high last week for an average cash trade of 138. That was probably at least $1.50 higher than trade would have expected. But again, traders, maybe they were anticipating that given that support that we had late last week and yesterday. The show list this week is plus 6,800. So with futures about $1.50 over last week's cash trade, also having a higher show list, we'll see if we can see a cash trade as high as they're expecting. They're pricing in about around a 139.50 cash trade. So again, like we said, about $1.50 higher this week. Probably again on Tuesday, no bids, offers, or those would be rare. So we'll see what we get for bids and offers on cattle tomorrow. And we'll see what we get for more grain trade going into the end of the week into Friday's August crop report. Keep tuning in to the Allendale Wake Up Call, and we'll give updates as we get closer to that report. And go visit our site for weather map updates and any other updates on the markets.